Meron namang printer dito na one of a kind. Ang printer kasing ito, hindi nagmamaktol kapag kailangan gamitin. Pero ang siste, mano-mano naman ang pagdidikit at paglalagay ng mga letra. Oh, see the craftsmanship? Over sa pagka-loverboy ang ganap natin ngayon. Ang plano kong pasalubong, sulat para kay Mrs. gamit ang lumang paraan ng printing. Old school ba kanya?
Well, it's a lovely poem.
Lovely poem.
Just
Thank
a
you.
romantic guy.
I will always want to be romantic because my wife gets mad at me all the time.
You come to the right place because Master Yam,
Yes.
Mr. Yam,
Yes,
it's
Hi, Master.
one of the very few people who master these letterpress printing. Start first with your names.
With my name.
Yeah. Do you know your Chinese name?
Cha. It's a good thing that I studied in a Chinese school in the Philippines. So they gave me
Some character?
Wang Jinjie.
Wang Zhenjie.
Wang Jinjie.
Yeah, so do you know the meaning? Zhen means handsome,
Oh,
and Jie means outstanding.
outstanding.
Yes. Wow. In your computer, it like shows the correct.
Correct.
Right? But for printing, you need to somehow make it somehow like reverse.
Reversed.
Yeah, and therefore for these Chinese character, you can only recognize in the reverse form.
Right.
Yeah. So basically, he do it by the visual memory.
Wow.
Remembering the reverse form.
Reverse form.
Every Chinese character.
Parang treasure hunting pa lang paghahanap ng Chinese characters para sa letter ko. Ginusto ko naman to. So, makitulong na lang din tayo kay Master.
There.
Wow.
Yeah?
Yes.
Wang.
Wang, you got it.
Yeah, there you go. Maluwang.
Okay.
In-explain sa atin na very tedious yung process kapag ginagawa nila yung traditional way of printing. Kailangan nilang hanapin each character. At yung each character na yon, yung mold kasi in reverse. But the process of looking for each character na baliktad is just bonkers. And yung ginagawa ni Master na medyo, medyo itong industry na to medyo katulad na sinasabi ng tour guide natin ay medyo namamatay na dahil, of course, everything's modern. We feature anything with heritage so that we can teach our younger generations kasi sayang we don't want to lose this art. Nasa pangalan ko pa lang medyo nahirapan na paano pa kaya yung letter? So ngayon, ginagawa ni Master dahil nahanap na niya yung pangalan ko, yun yung end, nahanap niya yung first line ng letter ko which is roses are red at mukhang aabutin tayo ng siyam-siyam. Dadaanin natin sa magandang layout para may pogi points pa rin ako sa asawa. Hindi naman niya naiintindihan.
Sa hinaba-haba man ng paghanap, ang sulat ko para kay Mrs. nabubuo na.
This is your name.
That's my name.
Yeah.
colon.
Colon.
The colon.
Roses is red.
Roses are red.
Violets blue.
Violets are blue.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. And then you bookmark it with stars.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Very nice design.
Matapos buuin, ilalatag na ang mga letra sa printing machine. Kapag sapat na ang pintura ng assembled na characters, ilalatag na ang papel. Saka ito iipitin para malipat ang image. And, charan! Ito na ang ating traditionally printed letter na full of love and effort para kay Mrs.
Roses are red. Violets are blue.
And today's
date.
date.
Wow.
Bravo.
Thank you so much, Master. Thank you. I will not sleep outside of the room. Mission accomplished.
I have the meeting is Biyahe. God! All you gotta do is just subscribe to the YouTube channel of GMA Public Affairs and you can just watch all the Biyahe episodes all day, forever in your life. Let's go! Yeehaw!